Here's the alignment tool for the camshaft, and like I stated in the other videos, to see if the timing was right, it's supposed to be flat here. So yeah, we were perfect on the alignment. We need to remove this bolt also. This one. There's a sensor right here that you need to remove. You need to remove this tubing here. There's two bolts. One here and the other one is here. To remove this tubing. So you have more space. Should have done this in the beginning, but you learn every day. You can see inside the turbo. Passenger side. There's a sensor over here underneath that you need to unplug, and also don't forget the third bolt that was hard. It's still locking because it's moving, but it's locking in the back, so don't forget that. You have those sensors that are still in block. You're gonna have to find a way to remove that, and I'm sure after that the head will be out. You gotta remove this hose that is connected on the head. The head is moving almost out, but this hose here is connected with the head. So remove this and you should be okay. Should be free. I'm not gonna lie, this tool will be your best friend for the whole procedure. This tool, it clamp the hose and you're able to free it without a problem. So I'm gonna put it on my description, and you can chop it on my Amazon link, because this is gonna help you. This does about, no lie, 35 to 40% of the job. This job, it helps a lot. This tool also will help you a lot, because like you see, after I put it, I just push it inside, turn it a bit, and it goes off easily. So I'm gonna put it on my shop, on my link. You can check the description and you'll be able to find it, because this is gonna help you a lot. I do my dance, it's out, and look at what I found. That was my problem. 0 compression cylinder 1. So now you guys know that was the issue. So I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a known problem that Ford knows about this. They know there's a service built-in, and I heard there's no recall on this, so it's a known issue that Ford knows from year to year. I'm gonna put the service built-in so you guys know, but they all do that. The description of the bolt-in service say exactly the same thing. Cylinder 1, valve broken, 1 valve. That's exactly what it says. So you guys do your research if you want to keep your ST, because this should be a recall. All right, from certain type of years. They fixed it, I know they fixed it, but it's got to be certain years that they fixed it. But since mine is a 2020, they didn't fix it, and for sure they're not gonna you know, do a recall. That's where we are right now, guys. We are in the heart of the beast. We worked hard, many hours to get there, to get this chip. Many hours, guys. We came here to get this chip that I fell in the engine. It fell in the engine. So we here. It was a fight, but we made it. We have to mark them. So when we bring it to the machine shop, on the driver's side, you're gonna have to remove this hose for the turbo, and I believe it's the oil passage. Okay, so it's over here. Remove it the same way I showed you. So I told you that tool's gonna be great. And this sensor here, you're gonna have to also unlock it. There's a 8mm bolt here to free it, and now we have to attack this bolt here that gives us problem. This one here is so painful. Have the space. We need to remove this bolt. So move this hose without breaking it, of course, so it can give you the most space so you can break the other bolt free. Don't forget to mark them. I'm gonna mark it home. What you guys believe? For the price, they're asking me almost $1,000 to rebuild. I was thinking about doing the job myself. What do you guys think? It shouldn't be too hard. Safe travel.